Aruba's rock formations is a unique attraction, but how much do you know about the rock paintings found on the surfaces of the formations? The Archaeology Museum is set to host an event to educate everyone on the rarity of rock drawings. Let's get a preview now. Harold Kelly is an archaeologist. His role entails excavating, researching, publishing, and more. Coral artifacts is the team's focus now, along with rock drawings.
I'm also working on a project with Dr. Versteeg of the Rock Art Aruba, where we'll be documenting all the rock art sites in Aruba, and we'll be doing more in-depth research regarding the rock art and their relation and possible interpretation.
The colors of the rock paintings is one of the most unique aspects of Aruba's archaeological discovery.
The rock art is painted in 4 different colors, namely black, white, red and brown, of which the brown and the black are the ones that occur the least. The red and the white are the ones that occur the most, and in Aruba we have a very unique occurrence of the combination of red and white, which we call polychrome, and it's something that is really unique to the island.
Archaeologists have seen many rock arts around the world and within the region. Nothing, they say, is quite like the drawings in Aruba.
I've been to several congresses, rock art congresses in the Caribbean, and nowhere else in the Caribbean, as far as is known, there is the combination of both red and white in one painting, and that happens on Aruba, so it's something that's really unique to the island.
The drawings on the surfaces of rock formations can touch people in different ways depending on their perspective of the art.
Rock art drawings can inspire people on different levels. It depends on how the people connect to them. Some people might get inspired artistically, some people might get inspired in other ways. I think to everyone that experience and view the rock art, they'll get connected to them in a way which might be different to the other person, but might spark something in them. So it all depends on how the person that views it experiences the rock art.
Head down to Kunuku Arikok on Sunday, September 28th. Archaeologist Harold Kelly will be there from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. providing information regarding rock art.